Hello and welcome to the section Reactive Streams. In the first video of the section, we will overview the publishers, subscribers, and subscriptions. Reactive Streams is a commonly used name for the Java Flow API, introduced in Java 9. First, we will learn what reactive streams are in general, how a publisher sends messages to subscribers. We will do it using a sample weather service as an example. After that, I will briefly show the supporting code in an IDE. We will use this code throughout the section. In this section, we will be working with weather forecasts. We will have a service which creates forecasts. This service makes forecasts available for other components by publishing them. It's a publisher. We also have another component which wants to receive these messages, the weather forecasts. It will post them to Twitter. This is a subscriber. It receives messages and processes them. You can see how the data flows as a stream from a publisher to a subscriber. That's the name Flow API. The subscriber reacts when new messages are available, giving another name to this approach, reactive streams. The publisher and subscriber do not communicate directly, but use an intermediary called subscription, which buffers the messages from the publisher and provides them to the subscriber when it requests new items. We will be using this code throughout the section. I already implemented a weather forecast class, which provides basic information, such as temperature in Fahrenheit, wind speed in miles per hour, and general weather conditions, such as cloudy, sunny, etc. ToString returns a human-friendly version of this information. For simplicity of the code, we will be using randomly generated values. I created a factory method, nextRandomWeatherForecast, for this. This is the end state for the next video. Let me run it so you could see it in action. In the next video, we will implement a new subscriber. In fact, two subscribers. After that, we will write a new publisher, first by implementing the publisher interface directly, and then by extending the submission publisher class. Finally, we will introduce an intermediate component, which would translate our weather forecast from the United States customer units into the metric system.